Very good morning, students. I am L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School with a new video. As we are carrying forward chapter 3rd history, in this sequence we shall study today the commercialization of agriculture and cultivation. How did commercialization take place during the colonial period? How Indian farmers peasants were exploited by the colonial government. We shall study through this video. The term commercialization means production for something for sale in market. This is the commercialization. Means anything which we connect from the market for give and take. Anything which we give and take, that is known the commercialization. Commercialization of agriculture, simply that peasants grow more than he and his family can consume, and rest he sells in market. Secondly, as a direct result of the land revenue settlements, there was also a rapid commercialization of land. Meant to say, the things we consume for our survival, that is known the production of the crops. As peasants grow more than he and his family can consume, कि जो भी प्रोडक्शन हम करते हैं, जो अपने कंजम्पशन के लिए, अपने उपयोग के लिए लाते हैं, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स मीन्स क्रॉप्स वी सेल इन मार्केट, दैट इज नोन commercialization. Secondly, as a direct result of the land revenue settlements, there was also a rapid commercialization of land. In other way, the result of the land revenue was a kind of settlement, means a rapid commercialization of land, means the commercialization of peasants' land started those days. You can say the hereditary right of the peasants ended from the land, and they were forced to grow the crops according to the choice of colonial government, EAIC. The third change was brought. What was the third change? About in the rural areas by the forced cultivation of some commercial crops, sometimes referred to as plantation crops. Means the third change which was brought by the British rulers about the rural areas, they were forced to cultivate some commercial crops on the behalf of the government choice, because industrialization had taken place in Europe those days, and some crops like indigo, jute, these things were on high demand for those countries. Opium and indigo were the main commercial crops. ओपियम को हम हिंदी में अफीम कहते हैं. दैट इज ए टाइप ऑफ वेरी टॉक्सिक क्रॉप्स, जिसको सूंघने से, देखने से, खाने से बहुत ज़्यादा नशा होता है. इसको नशेड़ी, जो नशे करने वाले हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इसको पसंद करते हैं. एंड इंडिगो मीन्स नील, ब्लू कहते हैं. इससे, इस प्लांट से ब्लू तैयार किया जाता है, जो जब यूरोप में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन शुरू हुआ तो उस समय इसकी डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा हुई, क्योंकि इंडिगो का प्रोडक्शन बहुत सारे देशों में नहीं होता। इंडिगो मतलब ए काइंड ऑफ ब्लू फॉर डाइंग द क्लॉथ। दिस वाज आल्सो द मेन कमर्शियल क्रॉप्स, बट इट वाज extremely not useful for the Indian farmers. There were two main results of cultivation of commercial crops. On peasants' first since these were sold in international markets, their demands fluctuated widely. In international markets means in European markets, these crops were on high demand. As a result, the rate of these crops fluctuated widely. बहुत ही महंगा है सामान, ये दोनों फसल बिकने लगी। There were two main results of cultivation of commercial crops. On peasants first, since these were sold in international market, कि इस तरह से बेचा जाने लगा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मार्केट में और इसकी डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगी। While in the good years it benefited the peasants to some extent, in the bad years the peasants suffered very badly. जब फसलें अच्छी होती थी तो पीजेंट्स के लिए फ़ायदा होता था, लेकिन जब ये फसलें नहीं होती थी तो the peasants had to suffer very badly. They felt in crisis. Next point, the niche system. What was the niche system? In the beginning of the planters adopted the niche system of cultivation. In this system, the planters produced indigo on lands that they directly controlled, but soon they faced a number of problems. What the indigo they produced, there was their direct control over the crops, but it could not be remained for long times, and they had to face a very big problem for that. Large areas of fertile lands for indigo cultivation were not available because the land were densely populated. यहाँ तक हमने देखा, और नेक्स्ट वी शैल कम विथ न्यू वीडियो टू सी द नेक्स्ट। थैंक यू।